Hello everyone, my name is Marcel Kincher, and today I'm going to talk you through my project, the network project of the CS50 web programming course. To begin with, let's start by logging in with one user that I created on my platform. Now, the first task is to add new posts to this all posts page. And you can do this by just entering some text into this text field and then hit post. And then you will see that the latest post appears at the top of all the posts. The next feature is to see all posts on the all posts page. So if we click on all posts here, then we land on the page where you can see all the posts from everyone made in this network. The one feature in addition to that is that it shows the number of likes underneath every post. The next one is that if you click on any profile, and I will start by clicking on my own profile here, then you will see the profile page, which features the username, the number of followers, the number of people who that user is following, as well as all the posts that that user has made. And since this is my personal profile page, I don't get a follow-up button. But if I click on another user's page, then I will see the follow button underneath the username. The next task is to actually implement the following functionality. So let's test this one. If I follow this user, you will see that the number of followers has changed. And if I then click on unfollow again, then you see the number changes back to 0. But let's follow this user and click on the following page. And then you will see that this user, Schmerzi, whom I have just followed, that this user's posts will appear on my following page, which I call your friends posts. The next step is the pagination. As you can see at the bottom already, it says page 1 of 1, but this is because there's only 4 posts here. And if we go back to the all post page and we scroll to the bottom, then we see that there's actually more than just 10 posts here. So if you click on the next button, we get to page 2. And if we click on previous button, then we get back to the first page. Last but not least, there is the edit post functionality. So obviously, if I scroll down the page, then we will only get the edit post button on the post that I have actually made myself. So only on my posts. And if we click on edit post, then we get a text area where we can actually edit the post and say, for example, I am super excited about this. And if we hit submit, then you can see that the edited post will appear at the top of the post page again. The final functionality will be the like button. And so you see that like button underneath every post. And if we click on it, then the number changes as well as the button changes. If we click on unlike, the same happens again. And if we, for example, if we like this post and we refresh the page, then it still says 1 and unlike, and the same other way around. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you next time.